I have decided I want to build a deck for my boat so that I have one solid surface to fish on and walk across, and maybe even do a little camping on. I have no experience in doing this. We shall see how it goes. I'm going to make 2x2 painted frames covered with outdoor carpeting panels. Okay, let's get started. My frame constructed out of 2x2s and painted with exterior primer. I'm going to use these straps as hinges instead of actual hinges. We'll see how that works. I'll have one opening right here. I'll have one panel right here that opens on those straps to be able to get to the bottom, and that we'll start on our first panel. We'll make a carpeted panel for the beginning that will come back to here somewhere. Give them a hole right here. I'm gonna fill that hole with some Gorilla Glue. Gonna take the plug from that hole. Push it right in here. Let it settle. My final product. I'm certainly no professional, but this is going to make this boat much easier to fish for me, I believe. I always had a problem with the ribs right here when I was walking forward to back, either direction on the boat, and this is really going to help with that. I put a little door here from my bait well, which I have turned into a cooler. Here, all my supplies. It's starting to rain. And I love this. I've put my 2 batteries right under here, and I've added a port. No more fighting with the trolling motor. Just plug it right in. Well, I love this. It certainly could have been a little more professionally done, but I'll see what works and what doesn't, and I think I'm going to love fishing on it. Take it out tomorrow to the Wekiva River.